Rushing to go see the fireworks. Rushing to go see the fireworks because they just started while we were over by the Star Wars. Wow, that is awesome. We gotta get there to the castle before they do the Mickey Mouse heart shape because I'm pretty sure I've seen footage of them doing the Mickey Mouse shape. Yeah, that would be awesome. Let's go. Maybe Goofy and Mickey will be there watching. Let's see. Dang, we better rush over there. Well, those people are the fireworks. Wow. Oh crap, they're doing something over there. They're doing something over there. They're doing something over there. I'm guessing it's a light show. I'm gonna just have me, Donald, and James because it's really hard to hold 4 freaking characters. So yeah, I only have 2 hands. What is that? Ooh, dang. Oh, there's some more. There's some more of them. Oh, wow. This is gonna be awesome. I wonder where they shoot them off from. Wow. More or less midway finale, I guess.
It's like some 3 o'clock. No.
Because I know they shoot out the big guns right after. So I'm guessing either that was... No, they still had the stuff on. That's not the finale. That's probably just... If they just shot off the big one for a big event that's happening at the other one. At something, whatever they're shooting out the fireworks for. But I'm pretty sure they do this every night. I don't know. This light's going on. Okay, yeah, so I guess that's not the finale. I guess it's just they just shot him off for like, you know. Yeah. Okay, maybe that was the finale. That went on for way shorter than I remember.
That was the perfect way.
Also, that didn't
to end your trip
look.
in Disneyland.
That didn't look the way I was expecting. I was expecting them to have a Mickey Mouse thing. I guess they only have that on special occasions, I guess, because I don't really know. I haven't seen footage of the fireworks in a long time, so yeah. I will look up a video right after this to see if they did.